Hello, and welcome back. Now that your white labeled dashboard is up and running, you've entered your agency information and chosen how to onboard businesses, whether it's through our Stripe subscriptions or manually entering them in. Let's move on to managing multiple business locations using the Subusers tab. This powerful feature lets you view all general managers within your system, and you can instantly see how many locations each manager is responsible for. One popular strategy is the nibble and bite method. For businesses with multiple locations, you can let one location pilot a feature first. If they're happy with it, you can easily expand that update to all their locations by creating a subuser group. To get started, just click Create Subuser, enter their name, email, phone number, and a temporary password, and click Create. Each subuser only sees the locations assigned to them, keeping their view clean and focused. As an admin, you can also impersonate a subuser to see exactly what they see. This is especially helpful for setup, support, or troubleshooting. To impersonate the user, click on the blue arrow next to the toggle switch underneath the action column. When you impersonate a user, you will see exactly what the general manager will see on their site when they log in. When you're ready to return back to subuser management, click again on the blue arrow underneath the action column. Then you'll need to click on the drop-down menu for the user. Then click on Login as Account Admin. Once you're back to this screen, click back on Subusers. Now you're back on the Subusers page and can manage all of your general managers. If you need to assign or reassign locations, in Subuser Management, you can click on the Assign Location to give access to multiple locations. This is especially useful during leadership changes when access needs to be updated quickly and effortlessly. To assign different locations to a subuser, click on the Assign Locations link underneath the Locations column. On this screen, using your Control key and your mouse, you can then select multiple locations to assign to this user. Then click Assign. Now that General Manager has been assigned to multiple locations. With Subuser Management, multi-location oversight is simple, streamlined, and flexible, perfect for agencies managing businesses at scale. Thank you for watching, and if you need further assistance, have questions, or want to explore advanced strategies, our team is here for you. You can reach out anytime to support@Reviewly.ai.